If tangents PA and PB from a circle, from a P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at 80, then find angle POA. So the first thing, we have two tangents, one is PA and one is PB from a point P. So let me mark. I have this point P here, and from this point P there are two tangents, that is PA and PB, and they are inclined through an angle of 90. So the angle between them is, not 90, is 80. We need to find angle POA. This is our question. We need to find this angle. So before we go to this sum, there's something I want to tell you is here. Look in the next figure, and here there are two triangles here. We have done this earlier. We have one triangle here, and there's another triangle here. So these are the two triangles here, and in the earlier sum we proved these two triangles are congruent. Why were they congruent? We saw that this is 90 here, this was 90 here, between the radius and the tangent was 90. Then we marked this was equal to this because this was radius and this was also radius, and then here we had this equal to this. Why? Because tangents were equal. These were tangents. Tangents from an external point are equal, or you can also write this was equal, common. So but the point I'm trying to make here, these two triangles are always congruent, and if these two triangles are congruent, these two angles are always equal. This angle will be equal to this angle. So in our sum, this entire angle is given as 80. So I could say this angle is 40 and this is 40. Fine. So in this sum here, I'm going to mark, I'm taking this triangle. Now in this triangle here, so in this triangle, the blue triangle, we already know that this is 90. Now this angle would be how much? This angle would be now 40. This angle I would take as 40, and you know why I took this as 40? Because this entire angle was given to me as 80. Have you seen here? This entire angle was given as 80. So it would be 40, and this angle also here would be 40. Now when you take the blue triangle, this is our blue triangle OAP, and the blue triangle has got three angles, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 180. Let's fill in the angles. 1 is 90, we know. 1 is 40. This angle is a question, x. We've got to find x. So definitely you'll know how to find x. So x plus 130 equal to 180, and your x will be 180 minus 130, and that will be 50. So the answer is x equal to 50. Have you seen 50? Add up all, you'll get 180.